they never gave up. They never gave up on you, and now, just like you, they are as happy as you are with your success. Let us all welcome the graduating class of 2025.
Sa parents, kabalo ko unsa mo kamalipayon karon.
Today is more than just a ceremony. It is a profound milestone, a celebration not only of academic achievement, but of dreams realized, sacrifices honored, and futures boldly set in motion. This is a day of triumph, not just for our graduating class of 2025, but for the parents, mentors, and loved ones who stood beside them through every challenge and every success.
Leading today's processional march are the proud members of the graduating class of 2025.
The fourth commencement exercise, and this is number 4 and still counting. Still counting for 1,000 years. I hope that you will continue create your story. Make your story beautiful. Make your story productive.
Walang imposible, sige lang sige. Abot mo ang mundo, malapit malayo.
Walay lisod kung dili magtuon. Walay lisod kung dili kaya nga labngon. Tanan kaya.
Imposible.
Tanan kaya nato. Kay naata diring tanan karon. Today, you can say, yes, I did it. Savor this moment because today belongs to you. You have worked hard to reach this stage in your life. Today evokes success for your hard work in college. Sa labas ng school, EQ or emotional quotient more than IQ. Attitude more than aptitude. And character more than caliber.
Walang imposible, sige lang sige. Abot mo ang mundo, malapit malayo, sama-sama tayo hanggang sa dulo.
To the class of 2025, I want to express to each one of you my sincere congratulations and best wishes.
Imposible.
Tanan ginikanan nga niya karon, I'm sure you're so very proud nga doon na naging professional na po sa inyong pamilya. 24 ka agri student, kamo ang future farm managers. Ayaw ninyo i-discourage nga ingon sa ang mag-uuma, pobre. Embrace with that skill o 99 ka cream student. Daghan kayo pang pagsulay nga inyong agian. Kana focus lang yun mo. Kung asa man na maingon, ma-army, ma-fire, ma-police, embrace, and then buhata lang ang yun ang tama. 38 ka BS Education. Parihapon mo sa inyong mga mentors ang nag-carve ninyo into having an educator in the future. Changing lives of the next generation lies on your hand. 40 ka entrep ganahan jud ko ani. I'm sure you're not coming from a rich family. That's why you were in college. Pero kamoy mo padato sa inyong ginikanan. 110 social work. Doon na mo'y nakita na ko nga kasing-kasing nga mubati into transform from what kanang lisod nga kinabuhi into masayon hatong mapasayon. Nalipay ko, nga 316 students are into this day ning graduate yun with the right attitude, with that skill, the real knowledge.
As we live and step into the new world, we'll always remember where we came from and who made our journey possible. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. May God bless us all, and may He continue to guide the leaders of our town and this institution. Daghang salamat ug mabuhay ang Tugod College!
Hinarap lahat ng pagsubok, yung iba hindi biro.
It seems like just yesterday, we were new students trying to find our way. Now, here we are, ready to start a new chapter and make our mark in the world. For 4 years, Tugod College has been our second home. A place where we didn't just learn, but truly grow. The world outside will bring you challenges, but remember the strength, the never give up attitude, and the passion that brought you here. Let's remember that success isn't just about awards. It's about the positive impact we have on others, living with honesty, and being brave enough to follow our dreams. Batch 2025, let's go forward with confidence, with purpose, and with a strong belief that we can achieve great things. Congratulations to all of us.
Kaya lahat sila ngayon, sige lang sige. Nung lahat umurong, siya sumugod ng lahat lumubog. Siya di nalunod, natutong maglakad sa tubig, pananampalataya. Diyos sa kanyang agimat, kaya walang hindi kaya. Paglaki ko, gusto ko maging katulad mo.
Of this year, 2025, congratulations on reaching this remarkable milestone. Today, you stand not only a proud graduate, but as a symbol of hope. Use your education, not just personal success, but as a tool to uplift the communities that help raise you. And remember, you are the light that will empower the generation to come. Congratulations, class of 2025, aim high and reach for the sky.